Yeah, hi. We will discuss about the style binding. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. So we will discuss in this video like what is style binding, when and how to use the style binding. We will also look for some examples like how we can add the dynamically the styles or remove the styles. We can also the add or remove the multiple styles. How we will achieve it? We will look into this. Um, so First, let's discuss what is Angular, style binding. I would say this one is used to set, the styles in HTML elements. So we can use both inline as well as the style binding. Let's look at an example here. So let me discuss. Let's import this. We will discuss. Okay. Let me take first. Let me create one variable. We'll see like fonts is bold or not. It's bold. Boolean is true. Okay, we will use this variable to dynamically add the styles here. For style binding, just add a style inside a double square bracket. This is a square bracket, so it's a style. Then thought and your class name. Font weight. Okay, equals double quotes. Pass your variable name. Is bold. If it's true, okay, then make it make the font is bold. Else it's a normal. Let's see, works or not. See, you can see here it's bold. Huh? Let me make it false. We'll see. See, now it's a normal font. Okay, let's check the font size also. Make it true. Let's font font size. The type of this variable is number. So let me add like 35. Okay. Here font weight, font size, dot pixel. Let's use that variable. Font size. Let's see. Yeah, see the font size got increased. So what we are doing, we are using here the style binding. We are defining the value in components and just bind the binding here in HTML. Okay, let me add multiple styles. How we can add? We'll see. Okay, let's add one more styles also. It's italic. Italic, make it boolean. It's a true. Okay, let me add one method. Add CSS style. CSS style. Okay, add as a key and value here. Let me add here font size dot pixel. So let's access this font size variable. Now let me add font weight. Font weight based on the value of this each bold variable. So is bold If it's true, we'll make it bold, else it's a normal. So okay, third one is italic. Okay. Font style, this one we will also add based on this value. Dynamically we will add this. This dot is italic. If it's true, then it's italic, else it's a normal. Let's use this method here. But you know, when you have to add a multiple styles, then you have to add ng style instead of style. Let's check now. Let's check what's wrong we are doing here. Oh, sorry, I forgot to return. Let me return this CSS style, then we'll see. Yeah, see, it's italic, bold, you know, and the font size is, how much it is? I think 35 pixels. Yeah, 35 pixels. Yeah, that's it from my end. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the like button. Thank you.